Hey everyone, Ethan at Apple Chevy in Redline here to show you a new feature on the brand new 2021 Chevy Trailblazer. How to use the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So basically all you do is you hit add your phone here in the Bluetooth settings. I'll pair my phone up here and show you exactly how it works. Alright, so once you have your phone set up, you hit the home button here, you go into Apple CarPlay. On your phone you might have to hit allow, hit continue, and then it brings up the screen here, and you should see how you see it on your, I have an iPhone, so you should see how you see it on your phone. You can get to your maps, your Pandora, you can even get your messages from here, and it'll make it nice and easy for you on your screen. This is completely wireless in the new 2021 Trailblazers. Most of the models have this, and it makes it nice and easy for you. You don't have to worry about those cords anymore. If you have any questions on anything, please stop by 3220 Cape Horn Road in Redline and ask for Ethan.